What's up, YouTube? We're back with a new video. If you haven't liked it already, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We got Mitch, Cord, Joe Mama. Yeah. What are we doing today? Looks like we're taking out the subframe, huh?
Yeah, gotta get done so we can
work on it.
When we first started this, he didn't want to do anything besides paint and throw the motor and turbo on it.
Oh yeah, until we found that shit.
But now, he's listening to a wise man.
Yeah. Well, it's about time, huh?
Realistically, throw Bruce at it, it ain't going anywhere.
No. I mean, it will. Boom.
Yeah. You got a Honda for $500 in, yeah.
So we're gonna drop the subframe today.
I'm like halfway there already.
Yeah, I know. See, we already got it all apart. Ready to go practically. So the main plan is to clean it all up, right? Clean all the struts up.
There you go. I mean,
at least drivable.
there's a whole lot of hoopla, you know, and then that's a whole lot of...
You got a welder here, so I could fix all that. Just a little bit of love.
You'll put your boy to use.
A little bit of love and Bondo, it'll fix it right off. A little bit of love and a whole lot of Bondo.
Yeah, you'll never be able to tell unless, you know, you not only one car.
Yeah. Need a longer one?
Yeah.
I'll give you a longer one. No way. What are you taking out?
Subframe.
Oh, you're actually taking them out?
Yes. I don't know if we got everything out. I really fucking hope we did.
Fucking send it, dude.
Yeah.
That's what we do at Faces Customs. Well, practically. We full send and find out what's wrong later.
Oh, yes.
Okay.
Sounds good to me.
Yeah, me too. Oh.
That's what I needed.
One more?
Well, I got
Two more? Okay.
Shut the fuck up!
Open your mouth next time.
Oh, yes!
Oh, what?
Hopefully this gets him up. Did you really give me a 12 point?
Just send it. This is Customs way.
You can't find it.
Oh yeah, put it in. Boom.
I got rust in my eye hole.
Jesus, hang on.
Go down. Try on it.
Damn. Whoa, I went out all fast.
Raise the jack up a little.
Yeah. You know it's going downhill. Oh shit. You know it's going downhill when you bring out the torch. They can't get this fucking bolt off here. Ah, just wait and see what happens. We'll find out. That's what I'm saying. Send it. Yeah.
The original nut plaster. It might just be the aerosol inside. We're gonna be here all fucking night. You might want to crack that door.
That does not smell good.
Hold on. Don't put it on. Just keep it ready.
Jesus.
This is not the ideal situation. Usually you get oxy acetylene in about 20 seconds. You have this shit glowing red.
Yeah.
In about 20 minutes we'll have it glowing red.
Damn. Look at all that. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Spraying all on there. More.
It's either gonna break
Jesus.
or it's gonna come off. I'm really hoping it comes off. But just make sure I'm not setting your actual car on fire.
Just send it. Whoa. Oh. My question is, do we have a fire extinguisher just in case? Yeah. Okay, yeah. It's out.
Alright, Cord, hit it. Alright, Cord. You need to, when this thing fucking drops, just drop the gun and fucking go, okay?
What?
Because that's literally the last thing that's waiting on. just in case the jack failed, all right? We had it.
Whoa, there it is.
I done it.
Yeah.
I got some. Bye. Hope you find it there.
Oh, every time. What's up? What are we doing? Some sketchy shit. Why? I want to see. I want to see what's going on. How high are you lifting this? Oh God. So they want to use the cherry picker to lift up the whole front of the car so they could just grab it and yeah. This is new for me. I never seen you do this before.
Really? I did this twice with my car.
That's
I did it once with
sketchy as
Andrew and David. And then I did it by myself.
Andrew and David. Those are the same person.
Wow. David and
David.
DIY, ghetto lift.
Ghetto lift? Holy shit, dude.
I can't believe you've never seen me do it before.
No, I have not.
I don't recommend it.
Don't recommend it? Well,
Alright, now we gotta rotate this jack. Get it somewhat sideways so that when we can, because we're gonna lower it and pull it that way. Alright, that's probably good. Just be like, if shit goes south,
yeah, we're watching out. Look at that fucking thing. It's lifting up in the back. Oh God.
so what's gonna pop that exhaust out the way? Because I want to pop the exhaust out the way. Alright, get out of here. Before I go down, a little.
Woo! Well, it's out. That's tough. Jesus. Well, that's how you get it out. You just pull it out. You just pull out. How's that?
We're gonna have to make some more patch welds.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make 2 patch welds.
Oh my God.
What do we got?
What the fuck?
Oh,
Yo, it's gone.
we'll fix that up for you.
Oh.
I mean, the mount's there, just everything around it's not.
What's the other side?
Not
Well, the
bad.
same way.
You're terrible.
You only need 2 of them, or actually 1 because only one of them is good.
Want to buy an Eclipse? Clean, out or back, one owner.
Runs, drives.
Give me $150 for it. What?
You paid Dylan.
Now let's put this shit on the ground. I'll do man. Before this gets sketchy.
Corey, do you want to see how my goes before we actually pick it up? Sorry, just put it in this.
Let's pick it up.
Just make sure I'm aligned with the jacks.
All right. Yeah, you look good. Yeah. Jeez.
Now our next step is to take all this out of junk. We gotta clean the fucking area.
What's that?
Clean?
Yeah. Cleaning! Yeah, what are we watching?
Cannonball.
Okay.
Anything else need to go up here?
You?
Yeah, I want you to stay up there.
Yeah. Alright. Can we put the motor and tranny up there? I already have a tranny up there. Now can we fit the motor? That's... Oh. We're just cleaning up because it's a fucking mess. We need a spot for this. So I'm probably going to go over here somewhere. And after that, we're probably just start cleaning this up or just chill. Probably just chill. What are you doing?
Taking the fender liner off.
Taking the what?
Fender liner off.
Oh, liner?
Because when we weld and shit.
Yeah. So it doesn't start on fire? Probably a good idea. I'm gonna be in here a lot.
I figure make it easier on you.
Yeah. Can't have any of this on the ground either.
Yeah, that's
It
why
will start on fire.
I want to fucking wash the floor.
Yeah.
This ain't even my place, and I want to. Yeah. Cord, I'm taking your fender liner out too. I took your fender liner out.
And do no purpose anyways. Look at how much rot in here. Wow. That's bad. You can see a lot more now.
I know, right?
That's probably not a good thing.
Oh my god.
That's how you do it. Good as new, yeah. That's what I call new. Wow, look at how white it is. Clean. That's how it looks brand new. Yeah, all we're doing right now is just cleaning up, getting rid of all the garbage and shit. All the must. It's musty in here.
Musty boys.
We're picking it up with the cherry picker, putting it somewhere out of the way. Oh, yeah. Just cleaning it up some more. It's already kind of clean so far. Not bad. Much better than it was. All we're doing is literally nothing. We just cleaned up the entire shop pretty much. Got it all nice. We're just hanging out. Right? Right. So I'm just gonna end the video here. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We didn't do that much, but we took out the subframe. And
so, all right, we're gonna set a goal. I know we never meet our fucking goals.
oh, apparently, yeah, I don't have 1,000 subs yet. So.
It is, we'll say second week of December right now. Let's have, all right, full disclaimer.
Parts for this cost a lot more than a Cavalier. I'm sorry.
Not when you're trying to go fast.
Yeah.
When you try to put a motor back in a car, it's
Yeah, we decided, I don't know if I even told anyone on my channel, but I'm gonna tell you guys. As you know, I was gonna turbo it, but it's just not worth it with this shell, so I'm gonna end up probably just going for a GSX later on when I know more about these. It's a good learner car.
Yeah, exactly.
on your best.
Rip it all apart, learn.
Dude, clean it up, get that tranny good again, because then
It's mint, dude. What do you mean?
or even find a tranny or something.
I found one right here for you. Wait, what?
Dude, you gotta like wax your mustache, like give it some, you know?
But like, we'll fix
What?
motherfuckers. So, for all the rock,
Got a really long hair right
see that
there,
shit?
too. Yeah, I was staring at it.
Eat it.
starting next week, our new friend across the street is gonna let us borrow his welder.
Oh, yeah.
And motherfucker had oxy-acetylene torches today, so we
Yeah,
couldn't
he
fucking
does.
using that shit.
Yeah.
But I mean, we didn't know him at the time, but he's a cool motherfucker. So we're gonna steal his welder, or even roll this over there. And you got the fucking rollers. We'll roll it over there, get it all ready, just tack it out with our shitty welder, and just have him lay the fucking beads with all the good fucking with his actual legit-
welder. I'll have him do it.
Yeah,
so.
because that's what he does for a living.
Yeah, so
So have him.
let's
do
tack
that.
up all the sheets. We cut it out, make it
Well, yeah,
fit.
we'll just make the templates, tack it, and then he'll do the rest. And then I'd like to next week pull all this shit off and just get it off so that we can start sanding it.
Mm-hmm.
Then one of us will grind all this shit away so that it's good metal to weld
Good metal.
on.
Yep.
And then after that, we're gonna have to grind all that shit down. The welds, grind all that shit down, and then lay Bondo over it, sand that Bondo smooth, and then paint it. So it's gonna
Yep.
be a month, 2 months process. Plus, if we work on my car, getting all that shit back together.
More Cavalier content.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to switch back and forth.
Oh, yeah.
Instead of this car.
Well, we talked about like a month at a time come here and then a month go there, but I don't have enough work on my car to be fucking doing that.
Beth,
I didn't
yeah.
want to touch it until after the new year.
Yeah.
I only have a power steering rack. I gotta bolt the manifold back on and finish the interior. Other than that,
We do have a little surprise for the RAV.
that'll be a special video. That will be a special fucking video.
Get my new camera for that one.
That dude's jamming.
Yeah, dude, he's
He's probably hanging himself.
Guy next door.
he's hanging his.
Hopefully by February, this will be ready to get in there. But this motherfucker also has to save up some money to get the rest of the remaining parts for that.
Yeah.
So that we can actually put it in.
Yeah.
We'll go work on my car until you save up that money to at least put money into this because you got the Bondo, fucking paint $30 tops, and then do it from there. While he saves up that money, we'll just fucking work on the car at Tony's house and then.
Just like that, yeah. So if you guys liked it, like I said, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And anything else?
We will see you in the next one.
Cam has puffy nipples.
Peace.